Alright guys, Julia made the mistake of asking for help with the cake. That's what all that noise is in the background. I don't know what she's doing.
He's gonna make a cake.
I'm hoping it comes out good. With all the sugar that's in it, I'm hoping it's gonna make up for all the mistakes I may make. So are we putting it in this one?
Yeah.
Alright, so they got that. So strawberry
Oh, wait, what's in picture?
deluxe. I'm not saying that word because I hate it. Cake mix.
Moist.
Oh, I just hate it. It's a horrible word. Horrible. There's my little monkey. No shirt. I love him to death.
Ow.
Alright. Love you too, my baby. Alrighty, so add eggs, oil, and water. I have
Have you
all
watched the
three.
movie?
Oh, I got all three. Alrighty. I won't show you what's in our fridge because there's a lot of sugar stuff in there. So we got
You get to use the new mixer.
new mixer. She says new. I think we bought that a long time ago.
I know,
and
but
hardly
this is
have
the
ever used
mixing
it.
spot. This is the blender and this is the mixer.
Dear God, I mean, we got a good deal on the Ninja when we first got it, and I think we used it like maybe twice.
I've used it a lot for milkshakes and smoothies. No.
I think it was like 4 times in 2 days.
No. I used
She
it.
says we've used it a lot, but we really haven't.
Yes, we have.
Alrighty. So, you want me to
Ingredients
start
right
mixing?
here.
I start throwing them in right now? Now, guys, I have cooked before, but I have never really baked cakes, so... So what does it say on here? 3 eggs. Oh, and we perfectly got 3 eggs. Score. We had a lot of eggs for breakfast this morning, so I was kind of iffy about that. Alrighty, so let's crack that bad boy. Let's, oh, I don't want that inside there. Oh, oh God. Saved it. Yeah, there's nothing in there. There's nothing in there. What are you looking at? I got it out.
You're not a good. No.
Yeah, watch. One hand. One hand. Oh, boom!
And that's how eggshells go in there. It's gonna
Yeah,
be,
but there is no
it's
eggshells.
gonna be crunchy cake.
No, it is not. She's
This is how you
she's
do
a
it.
hater.
Let me show you.
All right, good. Let's check it out. There was. Look, you got some in there.
Stop it.
Yeah. You ain't no one-hander like me. Can't be like the best.
Hold on, I can't get it
Oh
out.
my God. Oh God, you're just making it worse.
I can't get it out.
She's making it worse. It's terrible.
I don't know how to get it out.
Talking about I was gonna make the eggs crunchy.
I got it.
Fail. Epic fail.
Stop.
Alright, let me wash my hands real quick. That's hot
That
water.
has bleach in it.
Yeah, that's why I'm putting water. I'm washing. Alright, burning my fingerprints off. That's good. Alright, so what are we doing now? What does the box say? Eggs. A cup of water. Can I use our bottled water? I'm not 100% sure we want to use faucet water.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's use bottled water. Can never be too careful. Alright. Okay. Oh, shh. Okay, I almost got bottled water everywhere. I got this. Let's pour that bad boy in there. Whoa. Whoa. I almost botched that up. Score. Alright, so we got that.
What else?
I gotta get some loving now because I'm probably gonna botch up this cake. She's gonna be mad at me.
1/3 of oil. Right here.
She was trying to learn the cup sizes. That's 1/3. Those are D's. 1/3.
They're
and D's.
triple D.
Oh.
Get it together.
This one?
Yeah.
100% canola.
Yeah, it's healthy.
I don't know. You said a third? Oh, just a third cup of that bad boy.
That's the whole, yeah.
Oh dear God, I feel like I'm gonna botch that up. Nope, bam, there we go. I almost used up all of the rest of our oil. It's because I made
we
those.
got another bottle.
I made omelets one day. Delicious. Okay.
Alright, now you need the cake mix.
Throw that in
Want me to
there.
open it?
Yes, because I'm doing one-handed. What am I making cake again for?
Because I want some strawberry
Oh,
cake.
okay. I didn't know if we were doing like some special occasion. I was scared, guys, when she said she wanted to make a cake. I thought I fucked up somewhere. I was like, oh, I forgot an anniversary or something. I know it's nobody's birthday. She just wants cake, so I'm in the clear.
Strawberry cake.
You cannot go wrong with strawberry. I'm sure it's supposed to do that. It looks like you jagging it up. Thank God we have this mixer. Alright, you want to put that on there? Putting it on?
You can't do it without this.
You got it? Is it childproof?
Yeah, it is.
It was childproof, wasn't it?
Locked.
Ooh, she almost didn't lock that in. Oh, it was about to jack up.
You see?
Dope. I'm gonna bump away from that for a bit. Sounds loud. Let's go check out what Daniel's doing. What are we watching? Power Rangers?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. High five.
Daddy,
Boom! What's up?
so you're making a cake or something?
Mom's making a cake because she want. Oh, look, I forgot. We got Abigail running around. Stewie's around here somewhere.
I got a penny for a winning.
Yeah. Oh, okay, we got the cakes down over
We
there.
have to grease something the same.
Oh, okay. You gotta grease it. Butter.
No, it doesn't say. Grease.
Preheat oven.
Grease.
Grease already. So, this bad boy right here?
Babe, that's apple juice.
That is apple juice. I was about to grease our pan with apple juice. I don't know why it's over here. But alright.
The kids put it there.
Watch it with Annabelle. Is that Annabelle or Abigail?
Abigail. Annabelle.
We don't even know which baby we have in there.
Right.
We're gonna have to take her out in a bit. She's been there for about 8 to 10 minutes. We try not to leave them in there longer than 20. They start to get dehydrated. They are active as hell. As soon as we put them back, they're gonna be drinking water like crazy. Speaking of that,
Hey, here we go.
so satisfying. Did we do that right? You sure? I just want it to be perfect.
Spoon. It smells so good.
It does. I'm pretty sure that's not gonna puff up to the whole side. Hopefully, with my luck, it's gonna overflow when we start to cook.
And then we got the cream cheese frosting.
Cream cheese frosting. What is that? This one over here? Oh, oh. I love me some cream cheese. If at any time we ever share some donuts, you know you're gonna have a lot of cream cheese.
Alrighty.
Alright.
We got some.
It's going in the oven?
Yeah.
Awesome. Alright guys, so I'm gonna cut it short, see how it comes out later. Hopefully delicious, because now I'm a fatty for some cake. We are going to keep doing the video later to show how we're going to do the gift cards, because we did change it up a bit, because we want to make sure that we get a lot of subscribers, so that way we can help out as much with the school supplies, which has been doing pretty great. We're very proud of that. So we'll see you here in a bit, guys.